So I invite you, if it feels comfortable, to readjust your posture if that feels necessary. Either closing your eyes if that's appropriate for you, or if you keep your eyes open, to softly focus and to let yourself come into present moment awareness through the breath. Allowing yourself to pay attention to this life-sustaining breath. And so you notice what your body does on the in-breath. You notice what your body does on the out-breath. And you relax your face. And you relax your neck to the best of your ability. And relaxing your shoulders. And choosing to relax with the breath out and a little allowing the sigh to be a vibrational wave through your own body that allows you to relax in this moment. And you are aware that you are breathing in not only oxygenated air, you are inspiring the breath of the divine. Perhaps you notice you're breathing in the chi, or the prana, the amrit. And as you breathe in, it takes this blessing of the divine throughout your whole body and loosens tension. Notice how when you take in the in-breath, it loosens tension, and as you breathe out and you sigh through the open mouth, you let go. You let go of that which you no longer require in your body. You allow this breath of the divine to fill you up and empty you out of anything that can be gently loosened, like an ultrasonic bath at the jeweler's loosens the dirt. And you allow that which is ready to be loosened to go back to source. You say thank you for your service. You see it going on to its next assignment. And as you allow this divine cycle of breath, of inspiration and expiration, you see that your light vessel, your auric field, and your body structure, your biological bodysuit, is being harmonized. The dirt and the grime that collects on the long winter on the windows of Calgary is being washed off the outside and the inside. And you recognize there's nothing wrong with this need to allow this harmonization and cleaning up of the energy and the shining of your vessel. There's nothing wrong at all. This is the way of it. And perhaps you put your hand on your heart, perhaps both hands, and you remember, I am at choice. I am at choice to do my healing work, my remembering